exhausted and they are armed, so please stay away from these people. If these people come up to you, try to ignore them. If possible, try to go to a police station.
This message has been issued by the U.S. government, as many armed people has shot up the restaurants, malls, etc. If you see these people, hide immediately. This message has been issued by the U.S. government, as the military has been battling the unknown people, as they have been hiding in the alleyways, apartment buildings, etc. If you see these people, alert a soldier to take care of them.
You are currently listening to Racial FM 105.3. In this message, all of the unknown people has surrendered after intense fighting. In other news, the leader has been captured and the FBI is currently interrogating the leader.